Did Justin Bieber throw shade at Prince? We've got the scoop. Today's episode of Clevver Newsfeed is brought to you by T-Mobile. With double the LTE coverage in the last year, you can know almost anything from almost anywhere. Prince fans are angry at the Biebs after a comment he made following the news of Prince's death. It's always something with that J. Biebs. Here's what happened. Following the news of Prince's passing yesterday, guitarist Andrew Watts posted a tribute to the Purple Rain artist on Instagram. Watts wrote a heartfelt message describing Prince as, quote, the last of the greatest living performers. According to a screenshot, because the comment has since been deleted, Bieber decided to chime in, writing, well, not the last greatest living performer. Okay, I'd like to think that the Biebs wasn't purposely being disrespectful and was just disagreeing with Watts' statement. But Prince fans did not see it that way, and they are pretty heated. One person replied, "I'm content to say that Prince has more talent in his little toenail than Justin Bieber will ever have." Another follower said, "R.I.P Prince, #legend. Can't believe Bieber disrespected him like this. Shame." Another Instagram follower said, "I'm still not over how Justin Bieber single-handedly made the death of Prince about him." Okay, I'm actually gonna give Bieber the benefit of the doubt on this one and say that he wasn't making it about himself and was actually making it about performers like Stevie Wonder, Bono, and Celine Dion, and other greats that are still alive and performing. But I want to know what you guys think. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, and then click here to check out celebs reacting to Prince's death. Thanks for watching. I'm Danielle Robay, and I'll see you next time. Click to the left to check out embarrassing celeb prom pics on Throwback, or to the right to check out Kylie Jenner's lip gloss unboxing. Thanks again to T-Mobile for sponsoring this episode. Track what's trending wherever you go with double the LTE coverage.